Thank God it's Friday, guys, and it's long weekend here in Australia because it's holiday on Monday, Australia Day. But first, I would like to thank each and every one of you who recently subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for your support. Welcome to my channel, and this is a little bit of everything. Thank you. However, I am not fully back yet on YouTube because I haven't finished my ground school. I'm training for another aircraft and it's going to be a few more weeks before I finish ground school, and then I will be posting more videos about aviation, going to share with you more important things and then some exciting things. And I'm going to be including my layovers and the destinations, and basta, I have so many surprises for you guys. And today, well, okay, I wanted to record this song because this is the song, one of my favorite songs as a little girl. Nung bata ako, I sang this a lot. And I also sing this basically every night. Kasi every day we have exams. And in aviation, you have to learn everything by heart and hear. And also verbatim, meaning word for word. Kaya it gets overwhelming sometimes. And it's really challenging, especially for me, because I've been trained previously in different aircrafts and I have to delete whatever I have learned in ground school for this type of aircraft and this aircraft, and this new one is so challenging because the drills are different, the layouts are different, and the equipment locations are different. However, medical emergencies are the same, but the equipment locations are different, and the aircraft configurations are different, and you have to memorize a lot verbatim. That's why I take a break to reset my brain, and whenever I study at night, I make sure that I take a break in between 30 minutes, the 30-10 rule, 30 minutes study and then 10 minutes rest. And most of the time I only get like 3-4 hours of sleep at most. Oh my gosh, guys, I cannot wait to share with you what happened, the journey, my aviation journey in Australia. But my priority right now is to finish ground school for this new training. So, yeah, I'm so happy today is Friday and long weekend. We finished at 4 a.m. and then yesterday night. Yeah, so midnight, and then we finished at 4 a.m. And then I woke up again at 7 a.m. this morning, and then I left, and then yeah, I'm training again, and I got home. So tonight I want to share with you this special song na sobrang I love this. It means a lot. This song is this is my love song to God. And I'm sure if you live in the Philippines, familiar ka sa song na to. But yes, this is one of the songs that I sing every night whenever I take a break na, and I feel overwhelmed talaga kapag ganun eh. Kasi it's so intense. Ground school is so intense. And it's not a joke. It's really not. Kaya kapag ka nag-decide ka na ground school, you have to be 100% prepared. Actually, 200% prepared for this. Well, okay, without further ado, let us sing for our Lord and lahat alay natin sa Kanya. Ang title ng song is Ang Tanging Ari Ko. Alright, let's sing for Him. Iba talaga nagagawa ng prayer and worship. Kaya, ihari na lang natin lahat kay Lord. Kahit ano pa yan. Diba? para mas magaang na lang. And I hope magustuhan niya ng tong kantang to kasi sobrang ganda niya. Ang tanging alay ko. Salamat sa iyo, aking Panginoong Jesus. Ako'y inibig mo at inangking lubos. Ang tanging alay ko sa'yo, aking Ama, ang buong buhay ko, puso at kaluluwa, hindi magkaya ng mapagkaloob. Mamahaling hiyas, ni gintong nilukob, ang aking dalangin, O Diyos, ay tanggapin. Ang tanging alay ko, nawa ay gamitin. Ito lamang, Ama, wala nang iba pang akong hinihiling. Di ko akalain ako ay binigyang pansin. Ang taong tulad ko'y di dapat mahalin. Ang tanging alay ko sa'yo, aking Ama, ang buong buhay ko, puso at kaluluwa, hindi magkaya ng mapagkaloob. Mamahaling hiyas, ni gintong nilukob, ang aking dalangin, O Diyos, ay tanggapin. Ang tanging alay ko, nawa ay gamitin. Ito lamang, Ama, wala nang iba pang akong hinihiling. Aking hinihintay ang iyong pagbabalik, Jesus. Ang makapiling mo'y kagalak ang lubos. Ang tanging alay ko sa'yo, aking Ama, ang buong buhay ko, puso at kaluluwa, hindi makaya ng mapagkaloob. Mamahaling hiyas, di gintong nilukob, ang aking dalangin, O Diyos, ay tanggapin. Ang tanging alay ko, nawa ay gamitin. Ito lamang, Ama, wala nang iba pa akong hinihiling. Ito lamang, Ama, wala nang iba pa akong hinihiling. ito lamang, Ama. Wala nang iba pa kung hinihiling. Diba, ang sarap ng pakiramdam na you just learn to let go and let God. Kasi yun naman dapat ang gawin natin. Just trust in His heart. Learn to let go. Trust the process and let God to let go. Yun ang lagi ko sinasabi. Let God to let go. Kaya, a blessing is always a result of your trust in Him. Maraming blessings in disguise din. Even the challenges can be blessings in disguise. Blessing pa rin sila kahit challenges na sila. So, yun ang masasabi ko. Para hindi ka na na-stress, hindi ka iisip-isip, hindi ka restless sa gabi. Just let go and let God. Okay? A blessed week ahead to everyone. And thank God it's Friday. It's long weekend here. At sana sa inyo rin, relaxing ang inyong weekend. And always remember, God is always good and life is beautiful. Thank you so much for your support, guys. I love you all.